Hi everyone, how are you all? So we are on the website of makeuseof.com, and there is a blog on this website about how to make money with Google Opinion Awards. The Google Opinion Award lets you earn money to spend in the Google Play Store. Exactly. Use these tips to get most out of it. Okay, let's see. Want to get apps, games, movies, TV shows, and books for free on Google Play? Then it's time to use the Google Opinion Award app, a mobile survey tool that rewards you with cash in your Google account every time you complete a brief survey. With over 50 million installs, this is a popular app among both Android and iOS users, but are you using it to its full potential? Could you be making more money with Google Opinion? How does Google Opinion rewards work? Before we look at how we get more on Google Opinion rewards survey and tempt Google into giving you more money, we need to look at just how Google Opinion rewards works. Perhaps you have never used it, or maybe you have used it once or forgot all about it. Google Opinion Rewards isn't limited to Android users. If you own an iPhone, you can also install it and benefit from the same paid service. Note, if you are on iPhone, your PayPal account is credited, whereas Android users will have the rewards credited in their Google account. Once launched, Google Opinion Rewards requires you to sign in to your usual Google account. You should then receive a preliminary test survey, partially to make sure you understand your part in this mutually beneficial relationship, and partially to establish your demographics. Google Opinion Rewards typically surveys you based on recent shopping experiences. If you have been shopping, you should be able to provide an answer. Survey take around 10 seconds to complete and usually end up with a few cents being added to your account. Over the course of a few weeks, you can end up with enough Google survey rewards credits to spend in the Play Store. Click Buy when you're ready, ensuring that your Google Play balance is selected as the payment source. Now that we know how it works, let's look at how to get more surveys in Google Opinion Rewards and make more money. Now, how to enable location service for more Google Opinion Rewards. While you might get questions concerning about online purchases, many surveys from Google Opinion Rewards related to your recent journeys with the location service enabled in Android, you get a better chance of receiving surveys that ask you about where you went. In most cases, the information is gathered to help Google Maps. The instructions differ slightly on each phone, but on stock Android, you can ensure the current location setting is selected by opening settings, location, and toggling on location. Then go to location services and confirm Google location accuracy is also set to on. You'll be also be prompt to turn on location history when you first sign up with the app. This uses GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile networks to establish your location and is the best way if you're hoping to generate some cash with Google Opinion Rewards. Not that it's not a privacy minefield. What is the best location for Google Opinion Rewards? It's a tricky question to answer, and it largely depends on other aspects of your activity. If you are going to get more Google Reward surveys, living in a city and being active than living in a countryside, there is more to do in and around a city with more locations for your phone to check in with. Consequently, an active work, social, and shopping life in a metropolitan setting is how you get more surveys in Google Opinion Rewards. As you know, More surveys means more income potential. Keep the Google Opinion Awards app updated as well as having location services enabled. You will need to ensure that the app is up to date. Changes to the survey collection system may not be compatible with older versions of Google Opinion Rewards. So having the most recent version of the app installed is a major advantage. Although this should happen automatically by default, you can update apps manually on the Play Store or update your apps on Play Stores too. How to get more surveys on Google Opinion Rewards? It would be great to get lots of surveys every day, but isn't going to happen. However, there are certain things that can that you can do to ensure that you get an answer to as many surveys as possible. Check the app daily and ensure you have enabled notifications for Google Opinion Rewards. Responding to surveys promptly will get you more Google Rewards surveys. Be fem- uh, be female. It seems that high spending, regularly shopping women can get more opportunities for generating rewards with the Google Rewards experience. Take regular shopping trips as to well-known stories. Tell the truth. So these are the guidelines of getting more of money with this app. See you soon in the next video. Till then, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye. Take care.